Can 10 minutes of movement transform your day? Let's find out right now. Arms overhead, step diagonally backwards. You modify every movement to suit your needs. We're all at different levels. When we show up every day, even for just 10 minutes, we can build strength, balance, mobility, improve our cardiovascular endurance. But just one session can always elevate our mood, boost our energy, and let's do that today. Bring all your attention to every movement that really does matter. Get those arms up as high as you can. I gotta move a little quickly. Believe it or not, it's still chilly here in the mornings. Head up, there we go. All right. Whoa, we gotta build strong legs. You know it. Wide stance. And squat. After a couple of those, you're feeling good, and maybe it's just a tiny little baby squat for you. That's great. Maybe you're going super deep. Perfect. Once you're ready, let's get down and let's twist. Great mobility as we build strength. I want to go with a bit of pace also. Let's have some fun with it. Whoa, don't forget to go down before you twist. There we go. See, endorphins engaged. Maybe I sink a little bit deeper. Couple more. Yes. Oh, just bounce that out. Nicely done. Nicely done. Balance. Single leg. If you have a chair nearby, maybe you want to use it. We could just stand like this to build strength and balance. Engage the core stability. I'm going to do some arm circles as well. I'm going to move my arms in several different ways. Working on a little cognitive function as well. I'm going to reverse my circle. Maybe I go bigger circles. How about arms across the body? If you fall, no problem. Just start again. Progress over perfection. Really reach those arms back. Oh, across the body. Feel that amazing mobility you're creating in the upper back, chest, shoulders. And let's go to the other side. If you stumble, it's okay. One leg, gauge the core. Little circles. Head up high. What if you bring all your attention into this? Completely focused. Backward circles. Watch the mind. As soon as it wavers off, start to think about what you're gonna have for dinner tonight. Nope, that's not where my attention wants to be. I'm bringing it right here to having the best balance I can. Circling my arms. And let's bring them across. So stretch out those shoulders now after those circles. That feels amazing. Reach them back. It's okay to fall, right? It's not how often we fall, how often we get back up. Oh, the things we've heard of our entire lives, there must be something true to them. Universal truths. Truths. Oh, a couple more. And yes. Okay, let's go laterally and drive that knee up. Little skip if you can, up on the balls of the feet. Nice and light. Really get that knee up. And once we get a couple here, Let's bring a twist and reach to the other side. Here, again, great balance, mobility as we go laterally. You know all this stuff is good for you. I don't need to give you more information. We just want to move with awe, reverence, appreciation for what our bodies can do. And if this isn't something you can do right now, you can't do yet, modify it. Do what works for you. You're here. That's what matters most. Any movement, for the most part, is good movement. Ooh, you feel that in the hips? Me too. One more on each side. Let's hold it for an extra moment. Stretch it, stretch it, stretch it. Ooh, stretch, stretch, stretch. Yes. Okay. Feeling good yet? Yes, you are. Reverse lunge. Okay. Again, this can look very different for each of us. We're continuing to practice the walking backwards. Proprioception. For me, I'm going to come all the way down and I'm going to push down on my knee. Bring my knee all the way to the ground, just hovering above and then pushing down. And again, if it doesn't look like this for you, that is perfectly great and fine. You're just doing what's best for you. We can engage the core here. Again, more balance, more energy. And we can go with some pace as well. And again, maybe you're just doing a little step back. You can swing the arms too, head up. What a great move this is. Maybe your knee comes down just a little bit more with each one. And then maybe you can come all the way here. A few more. 3, 2, 1. Last round. Come on. Oh, goodness, that's good in the hips. Shake them out just a little to the side. Yes. Lovely. Okay. Let's do some bending and reaching. Continuing with this for the lower back. Bend your knees down, reach, and let's have a twist at the top. Few of these. Bend those knees as much as you need to. You go as deep as you can, find that edge. Some days it might just be like this. If your back is sore, just this movement, just to lubricate the joints, can be amazing. If you can get all the way and twist, great. One more like this. And then let's come down, reach overhead, and twist to each side. Down, reach up, and twist. It's more of a reach and bend rather than a twist, excuse me. Okay. One more. Hold it there. To the other side. Oh, beautiful. Oh, the ability to bend down for me just is a game changer. I know that it's like when it's like, I feel like an old man. I don't want to feel like an old man. We are young people. We will never refer to ourselves as old people, wise, knowledgeable, yes, but young at heart, body, mind. Okay, last movement for today. Remember hopscotch when we were kids? 2 feet. This can look differently for each of us. What I'm gonna do, so I go 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And then maybe I pick up the pace a bit. It could take a moment to get the rhythm. We're just being playful, having fun. If that move doesn't work for you, you can just do a little step here. You could do a heel dig. Just move. You could step backwards. Move your body. Move the legs. On this movement today, as I was watching a YouTube channel talking with docs, amazing stuff, really knowledgeable, no nonsense, talking about bone density and what movements enhance bone density, especially as we age. And they're talking about a lot of load bearing, weight bearing. I want us to maybe start to think, how can I add load bearing and a little bit of hops? We are creating some load here, which is going to help certainly reduce bone loss, but strengthen the muscles, the joints, tendons all around so that we don't have our bone health deteriorate as we age. 3, 2, 1. Yes. And that's kind of fun to be childlike as well. We did it. We are amazing. Well done to you. Let's just take a moment. For me, often meditation, moments of stillness, I think of no mind. Those moments when I'm just not caught up in the monkey mind, just thinking constantly, when you can have no thought and just be without having to label everything, can be so liberating. Take a moment right now. Can we go no mind? Where we just be. Maybe you notice the beating of your heart, the pulse in your fingertips. Just send your attention to one of those areas and let's just be for a moment. No mind. And when I notice a thought, I just recognize it. That's just what the mind does, thought-making machine. And come back and just be. Oh, I got lost in that one a little bit. I think I could have stood there for a lot longer. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful to you. You continue to show up. It truly matters. Have the most incredible day. Let me know how today's session went for you, and I will see you tomorrow.